Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have ever wondered whether animals really anticipate earthquakes? The earliest reference to unusual animal behavior before a significant earthquake is from Greece in 373 BC. Rats, weasels, snakes, and centipedes reportedly left their homes and headed for safety several days before a destructive earthquake. The most recent earthquake forecast was made in China, where despite freezing temperatures, scores of snakes slithered out of their hibernation dens weeks before a magnitude 7.3 earthquake struck the Chinese city of Haicheng on February 4, 1975. Many people chose to sleep outside of their homes and thus were spared when the main earthquake indeed occurred and caused widespread destruction. The ancient superstition that animals can foretell earthquakes is yet to be supported with scientific reasoning. However, this has long piqued the imagination of many, as local tales and eyewitness testimonies suggest that animals exhibit strange behavior hours or days prior an earthquake strikes. These stories have triggered the interest of researchers, who are using the latest technology to keep a tab on various animals that are said to be able to anticipate earthquakes ahead of time. In a 2013 study, German scientists videotaped redwood ants that nested along a fault line and observed that they changed their usual routine before a quake, becoming more active at night and less active during the day. According to a 2018 bulletin of the Seismological Society of America review, most such attempts have relied largely on anecdotal evidence and single observations. Martin Wachowski from the Max Planck Institute of Animal Behavior in Germany has led a significant investigation into changing behavioral patterns amongst a group of animals days before an earthquake struck their respective habitats. The researchers used highly sensitive instruments that record accelerated movements, up to 48 each second, in any direction. They planted biologgers and GPS sensors on 6 cows, 5 sheep, and 2 dogs in quake-prone northern Italy. He observed them for several months before and during a series of earthquakes hit their habitat. Wachowski and his team of researchers collected data that revealed a change in the behavior of farm animals 20 hours before an earthquake. A total of more than 18,000 tremors occurred during the study periods. It showed their activity significantly increased before magnitude 3.8 or greater earthquakes when they were housed together in a stable, but not when they were out to pasture. This difference could be linked to the increased stress some animals feel in confined spaces. The animals showed an unusually prolonged activity time. They were 50% more active within a time frame of 45 minutes compared to previous days. With a series of calculations, the researchers rightly predicted an earthquake with a magnitude above 4.0. Using the same method, they predicted 7 out of 8 strong earthquakes. American geologist Joseph L. Kirschvink in a scientific journal in 2000 explained many animals can sense the P wave seconds before the S wave strikes. P waves can travel through liquids, solids and gases, while S waves only travel through solids. However, the scientific community is yet to have a consensus over animals predicting earthquakes. A review of 180 publications reporting 700 records of abnormal or unusual animal behaviors before 160 earthquakes points to a significant correlation between these behaviors. Although seismologists and scientists are yet to find a coherent pattern in using animal behavior as one of the tools to forecast major quakes, more research into this phenomenon could lead to desirable results. That's it for today's video. Stay safe and healthy.